Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today I'm coming with cruise essentials, okay? I'm gonna hit you with 10 must-haves that you must pack for your next solo cruise, so stay tuned. Start by saying, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Y'all, I'm still on the road to 1K. And also, make sure your bell notifications are on anytime I post a video. The first solo cruise must-have is your tripod, y'all. So I'm gonna show y'all my tripod. This is the tripod I take on vacation. I just put my phone here. I can use it as a handheld. And also it has like these 3 stands, and it actually comes up really, really long. At least I'm 5'3", so it gets my entire body. On one of my solo cruises, this is what I looked like using this tripod stand, y'all. This tripod stand is the truth. The reason I have this as a cruise essential is because I'm pretty sure y'all, everybody is nice and they're willing to take your picture, but you always want to be prepared. You want to make sure that you're able to capture the moments that you want to capture. But like I just showed you guys, you can use it as a handheld. I got this on Amazon. I will be linking this below. I also linked this in my cruise packing video a couple months ago, so definitely check that out for more cruise essentials that I may not be able to touch on today. A tripod is necessary, okay? If you're by yourself, you want to make sure that you have that good angle. You don't know, nobody knows your angles better than you know your angles. But definitely encourage you to take a tripod with you just so you can capture your moments and also be in the moment and also get good videos and all that stuff. The next thing on my list is a waterproof phone protector, y'all. So I'm going to show y'all the one I got off of Amazon. This will also be linked below. So I have these that came in a pack of 2. It's one in blue and one in black. But the reason that this is my second must-have, think of you're at a beach. There's a bunch of chairs. You want to drop your stuff there, but you don't want to leave your essentials like your credit card, things like that. So this is really good. I put my credit cards in here. I also put my phone in here. You can actually still use your phone while it's in the case, which is really good. So you can still text and do whatever you need to do, but you don't have to risk maybe someone stealing it or getting misplaced or anything like that. You don't have anyone to maybe watch your bag, or you don't want to potentially misplace very important items. So this is definitely my second must-have. The third one, y'all, okay, I talked about this in my packing video, y'all, is a safety alarm, okay? This is something that I take just for myself. There are a lot of, first of all, let's just be clear, no cruise line accepts any weapons of any sort. Even mace is not allowed on cruise ships. Let's just put that out there. I'm gonna show you guys, so beware. It's very loud, okay? I just wanna show you guys how. 3, 2, 1. This is the truth. Always take this. I put this in my purse in case, y'all, if I'm ever in danger, somebody's gonna hear me. That's what I like about this, because you're not able to bring weapons of any sort or any defensive tools or anything like that. They will confiscate them when you check in and when you're going through security and all that other stuff. So this is perfect for me. I just take this and put this in my purse. If I ever feel in danger, obviously I will go get some security, but this is always a good tool just for regular people walking around a cruise ship in case I'm ever in danger, and I haven't had to use it yet. So that's the fourth must-have solo cruise essential is Wi-Fi, y'all. Stop sleeping on the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is so important, y'all, because I can just specifically speak for Carnival. They have 3 different tiers. So you have your first tier, you just use Facebook Messenger. It's like a social media package. I would definitely at least recommend getting that one. But if you are someone who is traveling alone, I would at least recommend getting the lowest tier social media package, because you're able to use Facebook Messenger, Instagram, you're able to post on Instagram, talk on Instagram. Also, you can use WhatsApp. I use WhatsApp to keep in contact with my people. And the reason that I say this is because you are alone, and you might, depending on who you are, you may have kids that are back home. You want to be able to interact with them. You may have people that don't know you're away, so you're able to like check in with them. Like, I would recommend it, the Wi-Fi package. I know we want to save money, but if you can put aside some money just in order to keep in contact with family, if anything ever happens, this is definitely my solo cruise essential number 5, y'all, is Alarm clocks. I know that we have phones and we all hooked up with the technology and whatnot, but we do have some old school people out there that like alarm clocks. They like to hear it in the morning, they like to click it off, they like to click it on, they like to set it and all that. The reason I say an alarm clock though, guys, is because we have to essentially be on ship's time. So even if the time goes back, even if the time moves forward, the ship time is the ship time. So I know for me, I use my phone alarm when I have excursions planned or I need to get up at a certain time. But this is really good for maybe you want to purchase a cheap watch that you can keep on that has the ship's time. And also, if you want to buy one of those cheap standard alarm clocks off of Amazon, those are good to just keep and set it at ship's time. Especially if, I know for me, alarm clocks are big because when I stayed in an interior cabin, I didn't have any natural sunlight when the sun came up. I needed my alarm to know that it was morning. So I know this is really good if you are cruising in an interior cabin. Having an alarm clock, making sure that you're setting that time to ship's time is very, very essential and very, very important. So I definitely would say alarm clock is number 5 on my list. My cruise essential number 6 are towel clips, y'all, because a lot of ships offer you beach towels. And those things you really do have to bring back, y'all, okay? So I know if you're anything like me, a lot of times I don't bring any towels in my suitcase. So I definitely use the cruise line beach towels, which I have to bring back. The reason I started using towel clips, I'm gonna show you guys. I bought a pack. I'm also gonna link these below in the description, but I have these cheaper towel clips. I know they have some towel clips that are more fancy. They have like flamingos and stuff on it, but these are pretty essential, and these are good for just keeping up with your towel. Like I said earlier, with the foam protector, you might be in the ocean, you might be in a pool, and your stuff is all the way on the other side. You want to make sure that you're clipping your towel, clipping your belongings to each other, just to keep your stuff more organized, and somebody would know not to move your things. In general, I would just hope people don't move your things, but these are really good at keeping your things together and just keeping your towels aligned and make sure that you get it back to the ship in a timely fashion. My 7th must-have for a solo cruise, y'all, bring cash, bring the money, okay? Bring the money. Now, the reason cash is important in this situation is because you're by yourself. You don't ever want to have a situation where you have to pay your way or get back or anything like that, and they may not accept these credit cards. I think even if you're not a solo cruiser or cruising alone, you definitely want to make sure that you have at least some cash on you in case, for those taxis if you are going away from the port. If you ever have to just pay for anything on your way in, just think it's a lot easier to keep up with. I know for me it's better for budgeting. If I take out a certain X amount of dollars before I leave, I know that maybe that's my money to play at the casino, or that's my money for this is my money for the Uber, this is money for the taxi, this is my money for shopping. So for me, it's more of a budgeting tool while I'll take out money. But if you are solo, I recommend just, if you're gonna take your credit cards, fine, but also have cash with you just in case. Some places don't always take credit cards, so you just want to be aware. You don't want any issues on your solo cruise at all. My solo cruise essential number 8 must have a portable charger. If you are going alone, please bring a portable charger. A portable charger is so important because you don't ever want to lose battery while you're out alone, y'all. That is the worst. I rely heavily on my portable charger when I'm on port, especially even if I'm in big groups. If I would have my portable charger, I could have got more footage, I could have got more videos, I could have got more pictures. So I just think about things like that. You don't ever want to just miss out on moments like that because your phone is dead. But you will want to at some point look back at these photos. So definitely make sure you have a phone charger. Make sure that your phone is already on 100% before you leave the ship, for one. But definitely charge this up and take this with you. This is definitely an essential. This is a staple since I've been cruising. So number 9, my 9 essential. I will say this in every video, y'all. Bring y'all medication with y'all. I don't care if y'all solo, not solo. A cruise must-have is to bring your own medicine. I actually have a first aid kit that I make because I have a lot of different, like Advil, Tylenol, all that stuff, first aid things at home. So I make my own tiny first aid kit in a Ziploc bag, and I take that with me so that I don't have to ask anyone for medication. I don't have to buy any. It's very expensive on the cruise. It's 10 times more expensive on the cruise, y'all. So you want to make sure that when you're by yourself, you just take those seasick pills, make sure that you have everything. Just plan ahead and make sure that if anything happens, you're prepared. Especially because you are by yourself. You don't want to be scrambling. You don't want to be in that sort of chaos. So if anything ever happens or you feel lightheaded or anything like that, you have your own medicine. You can take your own things. You don't don't have to ask anyone, and it's just way more convenient. The 10th and final solo cruise must have is a positive attitude. Positivity. First of all, y'all, I really feel like this is literally on the list for must-haves. You have to be positive. You have to have a positive attitude. It's a must. This is your opportunity to meet people. This is your chance to get out there. This is your chance to get out of your comfort zone. And I just believe that having a positive attitude can really enhance your experience, adds value. Being open-minded to everything, like I said in my previous video, you definitely want to just make sure that you're all around being positive, taking this solo cruise in, and you never know, this might be your thing now. You might not, want to book with anyone. So this is your chance to really just find what you like, find the things that you enjoy, find the things that make you happy, and really just run with it and do what you want with it. But definitely be positive. Make sure you're having fun. Soak up the moment, y'all. So that was my 10 must-have essentials for solo cruising, y'all. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and turn on your bell notification so when I post another video, it will come straight to you. I want to thank you guys for watching. I also want to say, for anyone that has a cruise planned in the next couple weeks, have a great time. Enjoy yourself. I hope these cruise essentials helped you. If you're interested in solo cruising, let me know in the comments. Like all that, y'all. I will see you guys in the next video.